world needs pioneers. Those who are not afraid of the new. Those prepared to lead. On the front line of progress, a race is being run to take us to the next generation of electric mobility. To anticipate the opportunities of tomorrow and make our world smarter and more sustainable. The race to the future is on, and at the forefront of the latest electrification and digital technologies, we are ready to write the future together with Formula E. This is the ABB FIA Formula E Championship. Let's write the future together.